Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Optimum service, follow these step-by-step instructions to properly end your internet service and handle equipment returns. Step 1. Review your Optimum contract to check for any early termination fees or remaining contract obligations before proceeding with cancellation. Step 2. Contact Optimum customer service by calling their support number or visiting a local Optimum store in person. Have your account number ready. Step 3. Speak with a customer service representative and clearly state that you want to cancel your service. Be prepared to provide your account information and verification details. Step 4. The representative may offer retention deals or discounts to keep you as a customer. Consider these offers or politely decline if you have made your final decision. Step 5. Confirm your desired cancellation date. Ask about any final charges, prorated amounts, or early termination fees that may apply to your account. Step 6. Ask about equipment return procedures. Optimum will provide instructions for returning modems, routers, and cable boxes to avoid equipment charges. Step 7. Return all Optimum equipment to a store or via prepaid shipping label within the specified timeframe. Get a receipt as proof of return. Step 8. Monitor your final bill and verify all charges are correct. Cancel any automatic payments linked to your Optimum account to prevent future charges. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.